Hello guys, let's make Thandai for this Holi. Firstly, roast some almonds, cashews, sauf, black pepper, khaskhas, cardamom, pumpkin seeds and melon seeds on medium heat for few seconds. Transfer it to a mixer and grind it. Add some rose petals and your Thandai powder is ready. Now to make Thandai, heat 2 cups milk and add some sugar as per your taste. Add 2 tablespoons Thandai powder, some saffron soaked in milk and mix it well. Boil it for 5 minutes, strain it and refrigerate until it's chilled. And your Thandai is ready. Serve it with some rose petals and enjoy it with your loved ones. Happy Holi!